Top 20 Most Famous and Inspiring Mahatma Gandhi Quotes. A man is but a product of his thoughts. What he thinks, he becomes. I will not let anyone walk through my mind with their dirty feet. Nobody can hurt me without my permission. Happiness is what you think, what you say, and what you do are in harmony. The weak can never forgive. Forgiveness is an attribute of the strong. An ounce of practice is worth 1,000 words. Strength does not come from physical capacity. It comes from an indomitable will. You don't know who is important to you until you actually lose them. Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. Freedom is not worth having if it does not include the freedom to make mistakes. Earth provides enough to satisfy every man's needs, but not every man's greed. You may never know what the results come of your actions, but if you do nothing, there will be no results. The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. In a gentle way, you can shake the way. If I have the belief that I can do it, I shall surely acquire the capacity to do it, even if I may not have it at the beginning. Hate the sin, love the sinner. Whenever you are confronted with an opponent, conquer him with love. Glory lies in the attempt to reach one's goal and not in reaching it. Permanent good can never be the outcome of untruth and violence. The future depends on what you do today. If you get some motivation from this video, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel and never miss to press the bell icon. Thank you.